Guys, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Not all forward controls for Yamahas are equal. Okay, these are our billet CNC. You can see this is completely CNC machined forward controls for Yamaha Roadstars. Okay, very well made, all billet CNC, not the usual crap, you know, the rods that go back to your old rubbish. Okay, these are proper jobs. These will also are fully rebuildable. You can buy all the spares for these too. We do the seal kits, etc. if ever you need one. We've only ever sold 2 in about 100 sets. But basically, if you want to check this out, this is all CNC billet alley, mirror polished. Okay, we do recommend the LU for this. This stuff will bring it back up like brand new. Okay, you know, when you get it, they're like this kind of color. But this will basically bolt straight on your bike like this. Okay. They do come with this bit removed, obviously, to fit through the post, you know, to get them in the box. But quality-wise, I'll be honest with you, these really are the bollocks. We are thinking of developing these forward controls for other bikes as well, VTXs, Furies, you know, bikes like that. But the forward controls are like 1,500 quid or some crazy bloody price. These work out £450. But if you consider the quality of these things and the fact these will run on the .5, which won't take your paint off, okay? .3 and 4 is horrendous. The 5.1's a con, it's not a 5 at all. That will also take your paint off. And we've had people put that in brakes that are officially for 5, but 5.1 stay away. It's not good for bikes, okay? Well, not for these. So this particular item, as you can see, it's got the built-in brake switch on here, instead of having that horrible great big thing with a wire sticking out on the end. So when this is on the bike, you hardly see it. You can also paint that black if you want, or heat shrink it, or silver heat shrink even, to make it look even better. All removable. Okay, seal kit's available, like I say, comes with the bolts ready to bolt on. Literally, this here is movable. The brake lever you can adjust under it. Take this off, it's got all pegs, so you can have the brake pedal higher, lower, whatever you want. This one here is the same. That's where your shifter is. But this is removable on here. Okay, you can see here this screw, so you can move that as well. Okay, but they say these are, you've really got to see them in the flesh to appreciate how beautiful these things are. But quality-wise, I can absolutely 100% guarantee you will not get another set of billet forwards like this for your bike. Okay, we are thinking of making these for other bikes, like I say. The M18, I think, would definitely benefit for something in the middle instead of those ridiculous forward controls. But I think we could modify these to be mids on an M109, which would be a definite godsend for short asses like me that can't reach the damn things. But anyway, if you're interested, 01773835666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. If you want to email sales at Custom Cruisers, you will find them on our website, which is www.customcruisers.com too. And we are thinking of sticking some on eBay. Thank you. Have a great biking year.